All right, I'm at the Buffalo Chip. I was already at the, in the amphitheater, but I forgot my earplugs, and I wanted to have them for sure, But it's really, really loud in there, of course. So I think I'm going to. This is probably going to be the only time I'm actually going to have talk, dialogue. Otherwise, I'm just going to do a video clip inside the amphitheater, just some. So this is probably going to be a shorter video this time. But I want to talk a little bit about my live streams. I did a live stream today, and I thought I had everything worked out. I thought I had everything defeated, but then after about an hour, was it 10 minutes or something, 11 minutes, something like that, suddenly it just quit. The live stream ended, and of course I stopped and restarted it, and it lasted about a little over 8 minutes. So I stopped and restarted a new stream again a third time, and that one lasted only a little over a minute, and it was done. So I was really frustrated. So that was the last one, and all three times for the same reason. That said, server closed my connection and the live stream ended. I'm thinking it's something with the GoPro app, whatever server they're using, the GoPro is using that. The GoPro app is using. I don't know, but that should not be happening. That's really frustrating. What's going on with that? Oh, okay, but anyways, hopefully I'll try again tomorrow. I can only stop and wrestle with it for so many times before I have to give up and just continue on without it. And that is just really negatively impacting. It's really setting back my channel. It's holding it back when I'm not able to do the live streams that I want to do. Because while it's working, while I'm writing it, it works good. I finally got the audio working as good as you can, and the video itself looks good. And then it's just frustrating. I'll just stop for it, and there's nothing I can do about it. But anyways, let's head into the amphitheater. Let's just forget about that for the time being, and just enjoy the night. Oh man, I'm frustrated. But anyways, okay, over with that. Let's just enjoy the night of the Buffalo trip now.
Ladies and gentlemen, Buckcherry's backstage. How many people are fired up, ready to fire this up, bitch up? Tell me, say yeah! Light them up, light them up, light them up, light them up! Light them up! Make it go! Make it go! Light them up! Light them up! Hell yeah! I want downtown Sturgis to hear us! Ladies and gentlemen, you are at the best party anywhere. The legendary Sturgis Buffalo Chip. Rock and roll tonight, people. Rock and roll. Enjoy the show. Buckcherry coming up right now. Everybody, kick some ass. All right, we got some pretty ladies coming out here. We got some very beautiful ladies. The Budweiser girls are in the house, ladies and gentlemen. The king of beers, the king of beers is in the house, ladies and gentlemen. The king of beers is in the house.
Call my mom.
Hands, let's pop this thing and get it on down the road. Ladies and gentlemen, are you ready for Jason Aldean! Make some noise! Come back, I don't know how many people out here make it go! Jason Aldean coming right up and join the show! You guys having a good time so far tonight? Well, I gotta say, man, this is only the second time I've had a chance to play this thing, but this is a pretty badass deal here. So, we may just have to come back. If they'll have us every year, shit, we'll come back every year if that's all right with you guys. Well, I figure you guys been drinking for most of the day, right? I've been drinking for most of the day. See, I can't do that. I had to come play a show for you guys and keep my shit together for a while. Now I can drink though, okay? Now. So I got a little tequila in here, and this is a part of the show. I feel like we kind of got all the slow songs out of the way. So I'm gonna do this shot real quick, and then we're about to kick this bitch into overdrive, alright?
I'm back at camp, back at my tent, and Buckcherry and Jason Aldean gave great performances. I'm glad I got to see them and kind of not think about my problems with the live streaming for a little while. But yeah, I'm going to wrap up this video, and tomorrow I plan on going to another concert tomorrow night, and the plans for tomorrow. I'm hoping, you know, for a riding day, I want to ride to Devil's Tower. I want to say I'm live streaming, but I already know it's not going to work. And I'm not even sure if I'm going to try. I probably should, but I don't know. It's just, there's no reason for it to be happening. But anyways, what can I do? I'm doing the best I can, and oh well, I'm just gonna try to sleep on it, and I'll decide in the morning whether I live stream or not. And right now it's about 10 to 1 a.m. So I'm gonna try to get this edited and post it as soon as I can. Whether it's going to be in the morning or not, I don't know. But anyways, that doesn't make much difference to you because you'll watch it whenever you're able to. Okay, all right. Thanks for watching this video, and stay tuned for the next video.